Yeah, my family, I'm gonna show you guys how to start a high fade, man. A high fade Z. So make sure you guys tap in, family. Lock in time. We're gonna go a little higher than the midway of the sidebar as such to make sure we really get a nice and crispy high fade. The client here requested a high fade, family, so we're gonna do a super high fade. Get the client right. He last time I cut his hair, we did it around right there, but a little lower. He said, "Yo, bro, I need it a little higher." So we're gonna do just that. And I'm using right here the T-Shaper, baby. Look how sexy this clipper looks. This clipper right here is unique. I encourage you guys to go check out the cool features of this clipper yourselves. Follow Supreme Trimmers, family. But clean all that hair. Come on, all of it. Don't be messy. Everything. You don't want to be coming back at the end to take out chunks of hair. You want to have a nice area. Follow for more tips and tricks, family. We tap in. There's an end result. If you're looking for a LA barber in Los Angeles, message me, family. 35